こんにちは皆さん。今日僕はスプラトゥーンをするつもりですね。一緒に見ろうか。日本語で話せないか。それは大丈夫ですね。今から英語で話しよう。Hi everybody, my name's Little Hands 91 and I'm going to play some Splatoon 2 today. I got into this game a while back, and I know if you watch our YouTube channel, you probably think that the main game I actually enjoy is Call of Duty Black Ops 4. Well, that is not the case. I enjoy a lot of different multiplayer games, and today I decided I just wanted to get back into my Nintendo Switch and try and kick some ass. But I'm going to be honest, I'm kind of a noob, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.
Alright, I'd like to note that it's been quite some time since I've played this game, and I am not quite used to it. I don't really even know what weapons I got anymore. I'm going to start with the regular battles, because I think I need to fight some regular people to get good at this game again. Oh, we got some Japanese people in here. Kana and Pichon. The fuck? Pichon. I bet he isn't even Japanese. I bet it's an American kid who just likes to watch anime. Not that I don't like anime, but I just don't. Alright. Oh, we got Asu as well. Damn, see, look at this kid. He's... God, you can tell how newbie I am. Alright, here we go. Woo! Damn it! Bitch! Sorry. Woo! Oh no! Oh, it's getting too much. Oh, got him. Take that peach on. God, this game is way too intense to be like this cute little kiddie game. Oh! Oh god, first death. Damn. I was going on a spree there. Oh wow, our team doesn't even have the whole back area covered. Oh, we're gonna lose. We're gonna lose. I don't know how we're gonna lose, but we're gonna lose. Oh, we've lost. Damn, boy, we just got our asses kicked. The fuck, team? The fuck? What's with these Japanese names? I'm pretty sure these people aren't Japanese. I'm just saying. 3-go? 3-go? Unless they mean go? I don't know. It seems like such a dumb name. Then again, Japanese people, they always come up with these really dumb, like, they use English words, and they don't really understand how to use them. This is katakana, so obviously it's supposed to be like a word that isn't Japanese. Kaitokun. Oto-chan, we're fighting some daddy. Somebody's daddy. Alright, Oto-chan. Oh! Damn it, Pichon, you asshole. You know, I need to get off this team because my team obviously doesn't know how to... Okay, I can't complain. That was pretty stupid. Look at how bad our... That's the thing with these Japanese kids, man. They get into these games. Alright, nobody over there. Let's see if we can bring this back. Oh, shit. Double kill, but god damn it, if my team isn't going to move out of this area. Oto-chan's kicking ass. If I could just get my super. Ha! Take that, Kaito. What's this guy doing? Come on, start. Detonate. Ooh. Too close. Too close. Yes. We're gonna come back. We're gonna come back. Take that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're gonna come back. We're gonna come back. This is it. Oh my god. Get out of my face. Ah, damn it! If my team loses after that, we're gonna lose. We're gonna lose. My team's too stupid. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. What's it look like? Yeah. We didn't even cover our... I gotta get off this team, man. No, no, no. Am I playing? No. How do I get out of here? Sho-chan, P-chan, and what? Ikarude? Ikarude. That's a weird name. Well, I don't know how I didn't get off the team. I want to leave that match, and I'm such a noob, I don't even know how to leave the matches. Mizuki! Watch, Mizuki will be like the most pro character in this game. Oh yeah, I love this map. Get out of here, Hina. Hello! Ha! I love this cannon thing, or the ball thing. It's tight. Or as Will Smith would say, ah, it's hot! God, this game's way too intense. It literally gets my blood pumping every time I play this. Alright, there he is. Alright. Oh, damn. Godo just punched the shit out of me. Oh, Go. My bad. Go just punched the shit out of me. I don't see nobody. Oh, Nigel. Here I come! Out my face. Oh my god. Oh no, my nose is itching! God, no! Get out of here, Mizuki! Nobody? Alright. I like that grenade. It helps prevent those ambushes. Haha! Mizuki! Bop! About goddamn time. Damn. My nose was itching so bad. Oh. Victory itch. Damn, those last 3 matches were fun as hell.
So every so often there's a fad that goes on in Splatoon 2, and since I've been out of the loop for a while, we're going to go look at some of the posts that people have done, just so I can see what are the players of Splatoon 2 thinking.
See, I love these, that you can see the stuff that these people draw, and I love this. I'm learning Japanese. I'm glad for you, buddy. It's a hard language to learn. I'm going to say something about learning Japanese. I went to college for it. I have a major in Japanese. I can speak Japanese. I can read Japanese. It's really a wonderful and beautiful language. Don't get me wrong. But the reason I started learning Japanese was I remember I got done watching a Kitano Takeshi movie called Outrage, and I just thought to myself, man, what if I could learn Japanese? So I looked up on YouTube how to speak Japanese and got on this website, what do they call it? Japanese Pod 101. And it taught me how to say, Hajimemashite, Keitabu desu, dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. And so I was like, man, that's so easy, dude. I just introduced myself in 3 minutes. Isn't that crazy? I learned how to do that. And so I just thought, oh, Japanese must be so easy. Well, speaking it, to be honest, I don't think is that hard. I think you can learn how to speak it. But it's the kanji. I got a book here called The 2000 Basic Kanji. I have not even heard of anything. I mean, if you have to write 2000 basic anything, you know it's a hard language. Because there should be nothing that has more than 2000 basic. It's just crazy. Anyways, good luck to you. I'm going to fresh you up. Here's trans rights. I'm a pretty liberal guy, you know. I just wonder who these people are that post them. I wonder how young they are. You know, when I went to college, you know, I grew up in Tennessee, so a lot of the kids I knew, you know, when I grew up, I was a Christian, and I hated gay people, hated all this other crazy shit. But then I don't know, I came to change my mind, and when I went to college, I made my first transgender friend. And I'll be honest, I really don't know why people bash on them so much. You know, I think they should be able to live their lives. I think if you want to do something, as long as it doesn't hurt someone else, I don't think there's a problem with it. But yeah, so I'll fresh you up. Dude, how do people get so good at drawing this shit? I know that probably isn't the greatest Splatoon drawing I've ever seen, but I don't know where you get the time to sit around and do that. Maybe it's because I'm an adult now. I don't have that time, but god damn, that is a good drawing Pikachu. The gays when Splatoon Splatoon posts aren't about them. What the fuck? I did not see that. Wow. Wow. I'm not going to report you because obviously I don't think that's that hateful. But I'm not going to fresh that. Jesus Christ. So they look like Pikachu? I don't think that's actually really an insult. I think looking like Pikachu's basically you're just cute. Way to go, gay people. Okay, I'm all about spreading positivity. I really am. But this makes me want to puke when I read this. It just does. It's like these Instagram models that take pictures of their asses and then they have like some really weird, positive, uplifting thing posted there, and you're just like, dude, there's nothing inspirational about what you're doing. Now, this person isn't as bad, obviously, because... And I'm glad that this person probably has a positive outlook, but I don't know. It just cringes me out when I see things like that. Someone took enough time to write this all out. Maybe it's just because of the dark, sinister man I am. I don't know. You know what? I'll fresh them just because they're being nice. I'll fresh them. But it feels like they're searching for freshes. That's what it feels like. They're like, please like my status. So I decided it's about time I make my own post. It's pretty easy to read, right? Heroes Vault Gaming at YouTube. No gaming, actually. It's just Heroes Vault. But it's actually, our channel is Heroes Vault Gaming, and we plan on posting a video at least a week. There's 2 people working on it. So our video styles are a little bit different. If you see a lot of face rig and weird Japanese shit, that's usually going to be mine. Little Hands 91. So if you liked anything about this video or you want to help support our channel, please like and subscribe. We're trying to get off the ground. Yeah, and I appreciate anybody who watched. And if you are interested at all in seeing us live stream, or at least me live stream Splatoon 2, please leave a comment down below whether that would be cool with you, or if you just kind of like how I'm doing my videos now. So thanks for watching, and hope to catch you all around.